There's been a lot of talk that my husband's involved or still involved.
But he is, Ma. But he is, babe.
Brian's got a
Mistress.
There's a mistress. It's probably AI.
He's there.
And you didn't produce your own children.
Right. When you produce them.
Didn't mean it like that. I take it back.
Rula met Brian while he was still married to my Spanish teacher.
I hope that's not true, because I really did like my Spanish teacher.
So he's just a cheater.
But he doesn't look like a cheater, let's be honest.
No, he's not very hot.
He brings her coffee every morning. He's at the gym every morning.
Does Ryan look like he goes to the gym?
Yes.